How to fix Meta Business Suite app not working. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for Meta Business Suite. Head over to this app. So right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And if it is not up to date, it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is click on update and update the application to the latest version. Once the application has been up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. Now scroll all the way down and search for the application Business Suite. Once you find it, head over to it. Now what you want to do is click on Offload App. And once again click on Offload App. Offloading app will clear all the cache and the data of the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. After this, still if it doesn't fix your problem, then what you want to do is delete the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Meta Business Suite app not working. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.